This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Jim Stanley. Beautifully designed and quality built, this custom home is about 2 years old and sits on a peaceful 3.5 acres out in the country. The maintenance-free exterior complements the absolutely gorgeous wood interiors. Every feature was designed and executed by the owners themselves, who are experienced builders and have done hundreds of homes. The kitchen offers tons of cabinet space and a lovely unique island for workspace and even more storage. The family room leads out onto a big 14 by 40 covered porch where you can relax and enjoy the beautiful yard and wildlife. Schedule a time to see all the features this home offers: acacia wood floors, pocket doors, wood ceilings and walls, big master bedroom with a walk-in closet and built-ins, literally too many builders' touches to list. Call today to see if for yourself. For more information.